The 1940s was a time of hardship, especially in the American South. Black families faced segregation and discrimination, but they found strength and resilience in their gardens. These gardens were more than just a source of food. They were a source of hope. They were a symbol of resistance. Black families in the South often had limited access to resources. They had to be resourceful. They used gardening techniques passed down through generations. These techniques helped them thrive. These gardens were vital to their survival. Black women in particular played a crucial role in these gardens. They were the keepers of knowledge. They were the ones who nurtured the seeds and plants. These women ensured their families had food on the table. They also shared their bounty with their neighbors. This spirit of sharing strengthened their communities. Black Southern gardeners were masters of adaptation. They used techniques like raised beds and companion planting. These techniques helped them overcome challenges. For instance, raised beds improved drainage. This was crucial in areas with heavy clay soil. Companion planting helped deter pests. It also maximized yields in small spaces. These gardening methods were more than practical solutions. They were born out of observation and understanding of nature. Black gardeners developed a deep respect for the land. They understood the interconnectedness of all living things. This knowledge was key to their success. One example of this wisdom is the use of marigolds. Black gardeners planted marigolds alongside their vegetables. Marigolds repel nematodes. These tiny pests can damage crops. This companion planting method helped ensure healthy and abundant harvests. For Black communities in the South, gardens were more than just a source of sustenance. They were places of peace, solace, and cultural expression. Gardens were often a place for storytelling and sharing traditions. The act of gardening itself was deeply spiritual. It was a way to connect with the earth, with ancestors, and with a higher power. Many believed that gardens were a gift from God. They felt a responsibility to care for the land and to share its bounty. This spiritual connection is evident in the songs, stories, and folklore associated with Black Southern gardens. These cultural expressions often celebrated the beauty and bounty of nature. They also acknowledged the challenges and triumphs of life in the South. Section 4. Seeds of Change. Influence on modern organic gardening and food justice. The legacy of Black Southern gardening traditions extends far beyond the 1940s. These traditions continue to inspire and inform modern gardening practices, particularly in the movements for organic gardening and food justice. The techniques pioneered by Black gardeners, such as companion planting and organic pest control, are now cornerstones of organic gardening. This approach to gardening emphasizes sustainability, biodiversity, and the avoidance of harmful chemicals. Moreover, the emphasis on self-sufficiency and community sharing inherent in Black Southern gardening traditions resonates deeply with the food justice movement. This movement seeks to address inequalities in food access, affordability, and quality, particularly in marginalized communities. Section 5. Cultivating a legacy: modern leaders in food sovereignty. Today, a new generation of Black gardeners and activists are drawing upon these traditions to create a more just and equitable food system. Leaders like Leah Penniman of Soulfire Farm and Will Allen of Growing Power are at the forefront of this movement. These individuals and organizations are working to reclaim Black agricultural heritage and empower communities to grow their own food. They are also advocating for policies that support small farmers and increase access to healthy, affordable food for all. Their work is a testament to the enduring power and relevance of Black Southern gardening traditions in the 21st century. They are not just growing food, they are growing hope, resilience, and a more just future. Section 6. Growing Forward. Honoring and continuing Black gardening traditions. The legacy of Black Southern gardening traditions is a powerful reminder of resilience, ingenuity, and deep connection to the land. These traditions offer valuable lessons for us all, especially as we grapple with issues of food security, environmental sustainability, and social justice. By learning about these traditions, honoring the knowledge and labor of those who came before us, and supporting those who are continuing this important work, we can help ensure that these gardens of resilience continue to flourish for generations to come. Let us all find ways to connect with the earth, grow our own food, and build a more just and sustainable food system for everyone.